How to transfer money from Alipay to GCash. The first things first, I won't be able to show you using the application because I've done my research and you can only download Alipay once you are in the correct country or region, which is Hong Kong. Now, I'm not sure if using a VPN will work, but you can also go ahead and try it. Now, from here, you'll just have to make sure that you have an Alipay account. Now you also need to make sure that you also have a GCash account. A stable internet connection is necessary and your mobile device. Now to transfer, log into your Alipay account, log into your Alipay credentials, and then initiate a new transfer. Look for the option to make a new payment or transfer. This is typically labeled as send money or pay. Now from there, you just have to provide the recipient details. Uh, in this case, you'll just have to add the recipient's GCash account number. Now use your GCash mobile number as the recipient's contact information as stated above, and then once you confirm it, you'll choose a payment method for the transfer. So such as your link your bank account or debit card, and then after that you can review and confirm the payment details. Now to verify the transfer, you just have to double check on the transfer details, including the amount and any associated fees. Verify that the recipient's GCash details are accurate so you will or you don't have any problems moving forward. Now, once everything is set, you'll just have to wait for the confirmation and you'll have to check on the recipient's GCash wallet account to check if the fund has already been transferred. So it's not actually hard to follow. It's just your usual bank to bank or e-wallet to e-wallet transfers procedures. So that's how easy you can transfer funds or money from Alipay to GCash.